Want to make your videos more engaging and fun to watch? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add music in CapCut Mobile. You will learn everything you need to create videos that sound as good as they look. Let's get started! Step number 1. Open CapCut Mobile and create a new project or select an existing one. Import your photos or videos and make sure that they are arranged in order you want before adding music. Second step is to tap the audio button at the bottom of the screen. You will see several options, including sounds, extracted, effects, and your device. Choose sounds to browse CapCut's built-in music library. The third step is to tap on a song to preview it. Then press the plus button to add it in your timeline. You can also adjust the volume, add fade in and fade out, drag the music track to align it with your video, and trim the beginning or end if needed. And now, for the preview and fine-tune, play your project and listen to how the music fits your visuals. And there you have it! That's how you add music in CapCut Mobile. Thanks for watching and happy editing! If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless us all.